This unique and extraordinary duet between the cellist Beatrice Harrison and a nightingale is one of the most famous and popular BBC recordings. It's all the more remarkable not only for being the first live outside broadcast, but the first broadcast of a wild bird, indeed of any animal not in captivity. When celebrated cellist Beatrice Harrison practised in her garden at Oxted in Surrey, she often found that nightingales would sing as she played. When the BBC broadcast the first live performance of the pair in May 1924, it attracted over 1 million listeners and was so popular that the broadcast became an annual event. In more recent years, the authenticity of the broadcasts has been called into question, and there has been speculation that it was not a nightingale, but a whistler called Maud Gould, who sang to order. To date, this has never been proved, but what is certain is that nightingales would often accompany Beatrice Harrison as she played her cello.